Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd share with you some of my favourite vegan snacks. They're perfect for movie nights or when you're just feeling like something yummy. First up is freeze-dried fruit. The mango slices are definitely my favourite flavour. These are perfect if you're feeling like something sweet. They're 100% natural and 69 calories per serving. Next up are broccoli chips. Now I like something with a little bit of kick, so the spicy flavoured ones are definitely my favourite. A great alternative if you're feeling like something different than potato chips. They're gluten-free, they don't contain any preservatives, and they're about 104 calories per serving. Oh yeah, these are so good, granola bites. The pack contains both vanilla and chocolate flavoured. They're sweet without being overly sweet and they're super crunchy. Definitely a big thumbs up from me. I think out of the two, probably the vanilla is my favourite flavour. Next up are coconut clusters. For me, coconut and chocolate is just a winning combination, and just adding those cherries in it just gives it that little bit of tartness. These are perfect for when you're craving some chocolate. They're completely organic and 158 calories per serve. Now come to mama. These are absolutely my favourite out of this whole bunch, and I can definitely go to town on a bag of these. Another great alternative to potato chips. They have very little sugar, no trans-saturated fats. They're also gluten-free and about 140 calories per serve. Up next, the good old Cliff Bars. I typically have one of these in my bag. They're perfect when you're on the go. Just with these, make sure you check the packaging because some of them do say that they may contain traces of milk. The crunchy peanut butter is one of my favourite flavours. It's about 260 calories and completely organic. And last but certainly not least, Lenny and Larry's The Complete Cookie. Again, there's a lot of different flavours in these cookies. I like the Snickerdoodle. They don't contain any artificial sweeteners. They pack about 16 grams of protein in each cookie, and they're 200 calories per serve. Well, there you have it guys. There's some of my favourite vegan snacks / junk food. Please let me know some of your favourites down in the comments. I always love to check out new products. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It was something a little bit different. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. As always, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!